I love muffins, but I generally don't buy store-bought muffins because they usually have more sugar and unhealthy fats than I'm hoping to get in my breakfast or in my snacks. But muffins are great. They're great to pack in your lunch, they're great for breakfast, and you could even freeze them ahead of time and take one out whenever you need it. So today I'm gonna show you guys a recipe for banana raisin bran muffins that are so tasty and nutritious. These muffins are full of healthy fiber, which can make you feel full longer and help keep your digestive system healthy. Before mixing the ingredients, I just preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I prepared my 2 muffin tins by placing muffin liners inside the muffin cups. If you don't want to use muffin liners, you can just grease the muffin tin with something like canola oil. To start this recipe, we are going to add 2 cups of bran cereal, 1 cup of raisins, and 2 cups of boiling water to a bowl. And just give that a mix so that the water is covering all of the bran flakes and raisins, and we will let this sit for about 5 minutes. We are just doing this to let the bran flakes and raisins soften before we add everything else. While we are waiting for that, we are going to prepare our other ingredients. We need to mash 3 bananas, and you want them to be at least this ripe. If you ever have bananas that are getting too ripe to eat and you want to save them for another day when you have time to bake with them, you can just pop them in the freezer and then take them out a few hours before you want to use them in order to let them thaw. Now we are just going to beat 2 eggs in a bowl. Then we're going to go back to the bowl with the bran flakes and check it to make sure that it's not too hot so that when we add the eggs, they don't actually start cooking. Just to be safe, I added my mashed bananas to the bowl first to bring down the temperature even a little bit more. Now we can add in our oil and our eggs. Give this a stir and then add the final ingredients. 2 cups of whole wheat flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then mix this gently until everything is combined. We don't want to overmix here because overmixing your baking can make it dense and chewy. The batter is complete, so now we can move on to filling up the muffin tins. This recipe makes 24 muffins, so you can just divide the batter evenly between the muffin tins that you have already prepared. The cups should be about 2/3 of the way full. Once your muffin tins are full, just pop these in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. You will know that the muffins are done when you put a toothpick into the center and it comes out clean. Or when you touch the top of the muffin and it springs back without leaving a dent. These muffins are done and ready to eat. These muffins are perfectly sweetened, they are moist and so tasty. And one thing I really love about these muffins is that they stay moist for days after making them. I'm probably gonna leave half of these out to eat over the next couple days, and once they've cooled down, I'm gonna put the other half in the freezer to grab whenever I need them. So I wouldn't recommend this, but after I finished making these, my brother ate 6 whole muffins. And that's how you can know that they're family approved. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you next time.